C. I'm the Executive Director of Modesto Sound. It is a wonderful privilege to be back on this beautiful, beautiful stage in this beautiful theater. We cannot thank Gallo enough for this. The kids have learned a lot this week. They've worked really, really hard to put on a really good show for you. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy these original songs that you're going to hear. But first, I'd like to tell you just a little bit about Modesto Sound. Modesto Sound was founded in 2005 by Brenda Francis. She wanted to have a nonprofit recording studio for teenagers where they could afford to record, because recording studios are expensive. Several young musicians asked to intern, and Modesto Sound grew into an educational facility. Along the way, live sound for concerts was added, and audio technology classes were added. Today, Modesto Sound is a 501c3 nonprofit recording studio and educational facility. We combine arts education with music technology services. This combination enables a thriving business of music recording and concert services to provide an exciting hands-on educational experience. Our mission statement is to empower youth with real-world job skills to create music and artistic media. We achieve this by having award-winning industry professionals such as producer Lucky Lou, audio engineer Blake Boetto, and audio and video engineer Mark Osong teach recording, production, and live sound in a real recording studio. We would like to start today's show off with Connor, Logan, and Noah. That's what you know them as, but we know them as the Three Gandalfs, and they are performing their original song called The Magic Refrigerator. So if I could have those three young men come out.
Bigger than the rest.
Are they cute or what? Okay, that song was called The Magic Refrigerator. Of course, you should know that. Okay, our next performance is the band Out of Order, which includes Joshua and George. They will be performing their original song, Falling Down.
Hello. How's everybody doing?
Good. How are you, Blake?
That's great. Oh, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you.
Modesto Sound has trained over 200 youth on job skills that include verbal and written communication, teamwork, creativity, and leadership. All things that industry professionals ask for in workers. The Job Seeker is one of our programs and has 4 different classes for ages 14 and older. Those classes are Audio Tech 1, which covers the basics such as audio files, cables and connectors, effects, compression, microphones, Pro Tools, and mixing techniques. If you take this class and pass the test, you can take one of our advanced classes. These are Audio Tech 2, which just goes more in depth. Recording Workshop, which is nothing but sitting with our producer and the control room learning recording, and Live Sound. We'll be adding video classes soon. Okay, students in these classes work at community events all over town, including here at Gallo. Many of our graduates come to work for Gallo. Now, I would like to introduce the Food Fighters. It's Food with the D, Fighters, which has Isabella, Kara, Zeke, and Sammy. Their original song is called Food Fight.
Yeah.
That's good, everyone. How are we doing today? song. We're going to start off with a verse, but after that verse, if you'd like to join in, the lyrics are food fight. So you'll see. You'll see. Okay, we're placing her in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Once upon a time, a king stood tall. Up on the mountains, he did call. Down to the masses, he came out to say, welcome to Burger King, have it your way. Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Jack jumped fast out of the box. He put up his fists, ready to box. He entered the ring and aimed at the king. And now it was time to rock. Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! When he came out, twirling her rage, loaded up the frosties, filled them with hate. She took up off the rack and plastered King and Jack. Here's your 5-foot combo with a hit of a smack. Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Ronald McDonald, after going to McDonald's, he cooked up a Big Mac to lay down the Big Smack. You are all the real clowns, and I'll show you why. Here is your order: cupcake and fries. Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Taco Bell first right out of the shell. Shooting chalupas with a rotten smell. Ronald McDonald attacked with his fist, but Taco Bell gave him the cinnamon twist. Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Food fight! Behind the Dairy Queen was Modesto King. She gave him a scowl and took off her ring. If they can't beat you with all of their force, then I will end this. I want a divorce. Food fight! 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 Yeah!
Thank you. Hey, kids, we're good.
While I gather the food fight. Okay, each summer we have a recording arts camp. Kids 8 to 18 participate. This is it. This is held on the stage in this beautiful Foster Theater at Gallo Center for the Arts. They learn how to write a song, develop it, then we go to the recording studio, they record it, and then they perform it on stage at a free concert to the community. They learn how to work within a group and how important teamwork is for success. They get to tour both Gallo theaters. We do drum circles each day where they learn basic rhythm and how to play within a group. They do radio interviews. They write and record public service announcements. It's a very busy, amazing week of musical fun. I would like to bring out a couple of campers that, well, agreed to come out and talk to you on stage. So I would like to bring out Julian and Sammy.
Hey everyone! How you guys doing? Oh, okay, that's good. Hello everyone. My name is Julian. I have spent the last week here at Modesto Sound Music Camp. The first day here, we got to customize our drums and we got to learn rhythms and play telephone, and it was a lot of fun. I also am a part of the live sound class. I will be joining the crew with live sound. Modesto Sound is a great place that gives us this amazing opportunity to succeed in our dreams and pursue music. I can't wait till next year. Thank you.
And now here's Sammy.
Hi everyone, my name is Sammy Vasquez and this is my first time at music camp with Modesto Sound. I have had so much fun this week learning how to write lyrics and then create the music to complete the song. I am a drummer, so when I found out that we did a drum circle every morning before we split into groups, I was so excited and I really enjoyed learning new rhythms. I was also shown a ukulele that I actually picked up pretty fast. I really like it and I'm looking forward to playing it more. We also learned about PSAs. Joshua and I got to write our own about smart sprinklers to help with water conservation. And the best part was recording it in the studio. That was really cool and I can't wait until next summer for our camp. Thank you, Gallo, for letting us use this stage. And thank you, everyone that made camp possible. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you, guys. All right, now it is time. This is what you've all been waiting for. This is the band, The Dudes. It's featuring Liam, Hudson, and Julian. And guess what their song is called? Dude.
Hey everyone, did you miss me?
There's lots of varied heights in this group.
Yeah.
My group's one of the taller groups.
Yes.
Right, dudes. Are you ready, dudes?
Yes, dudes.
All right, let's do it. Start us off. 1, 2, here we go.
He was just a normal dude, only got straight D's and
something else to say, or yeah, okay. Here comes Jim.
I always have something else to say.
And then we've got one more song. So thank you, dudes. Good job.
Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Okay. I'd like to thank our sponsors. This year's sponsors was Boya Make Dreams Real Endowment Fund, who enabled a lot of campers to be able to come on a scholarship that normally wouldn't be able to afford to go to a camp this nice, in exchange for doing some community service. We had over 25 people go out on a very warm Saturday morning. Actually, it was probably one of the cooler Saturday mornings. It was only about 90, I think. And we picked up trash, and we cleaned up part of the community as our community service. And so it's a wonderful thing because they learn about their community and how to help and how to give back. This is their world. Okay, I'd also like to, I'd also like to thank the Gallo Center for the Arts that provide us with this beautiful theater. They provide us with a stage manager, a lighting guy. We'd like to thank Dustin for giving us a wonderful tour of the theater like he always does every year. It's marvelous. It's a lot of fun, and we have ushers, we have front of the house, we have all kinds of people they provide for us, and we really appreciate it. We thank them very, very much. You know, the 30 Gandalfs have just a little bit more magic to share with you. So I would like to bring them back out. Connor, Logan, and Noah. We had a very magical group this year, and this is called the Magic House.
While walking home from school one day, we heard a noise come from an empty house.
When we got closer, we saw a big red button that said, "Push me."
So we pushed it.
The door opened and the house transformed into a zoo with magical creatures.
What if there's a unicorn?
A unicorn in your dreams.
But then a unicorn came walking up.
Whoa! We asked him if there were any other magical creatures.
He said, yes, my friends, the flying yak and the big talking lizard.
We walked on through the house to the yard where we saw the yak flying around.
Can we go for a ride? He nodded his head yes.
We all climbed on and flew real high.
He showed us the magical girl and the big talking lizard.
Then he took us back to the house and the place where we pushed the button.
Time stood still while we were in the magical house.
No time had passed. So, we all went home to tell our families about our very cool adventure.
They didn't believe us, but we know it was true.